And I had dreams of being in my favorite city in the US, Chicago. It was a powerhouse woman who is actually in attendance today who gave me a shot in Chicago.
So thank you all for making this day possible. Our vision is simple but ambitious: gender equity at all levels, everywhere.
There's a couple of key themes. 1, be really curious. 2, be willing to take risks. 3, don't be afraid to fail. Make sure that you are your authentic self. So don't let other people define you. I think that's probably one of the most important things.
We recently heard Madeleine Albright speak, and she said she is an optimist who worries about a lot of things. I think that's a great approach. With optimism, you don't have to burn calories on worrying about the things that don't matter. You can worry about the things that do matter.
You know, I think for me, I kind of have this notion of both patience and flexibility through that stage of my career, but I will say underscored with ambition. When you know what your level of ambition is and embrace it, you know, that's fine.
Quite frankly, a lot of the women that I work with, they don't raise their hand. Even I think about my own career earlier, I thought, well, my good work will show its way. And it does, but the reality is you do need to raise your hand.
The increased weight of responsibility of having more individuals to whom you are responsible. It's a good thing because it forces the most rigorous kind of thinking and discipline around analysis and compassion to get to the best answers.
The demands on your time as you move up the ladder, particularly become CEO, are incredible. And how you spend your time, this leadership shadow, how people think about you, and I think we shared this before, which is every word is magnified. Everything you say has huge impact.
The sacrifices and the support needed by and from those you love is something that it's worth being upfront about fairly early on and what that's going to be like.
Point is, I feel like at this point in my career, I'm having so much fun because I can put all those things together. I know we can drive a business with great culture. I know we can help women and people who don't have great opportunities and networks have great careers, and do it through the lens of inclusion, which is more important than ever right now, I'd say.